Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best tables for router that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Rockler trim router table for woodworking. If portability is your priority, the Rockler trim router table stands out as the top portable option for woodworkers who need a compact, adjustable setup they can take anywhere. It's compatible with popular trim routers like the Bosch Colt, DeWalt DW611, and Porter Cable 450 7310. The 110.4 thick acrylic base measures 5.34 in diameter, and the MDF construction keeps it lightweight. You'll get a high visibility bit guard, fence, and T-knobs for fast adjustments. It handles roundovers, chamfers, and small dados effectively. Rated 3.95 across 404 reviews, it's ranked number 9 in router tables on Amazon. Moving on, at number 4, we have the aluminum router table insert plate. Most woodworkers searching for a top-tier insert plate won't need to look further than the Mayapula aluminum router table insert plate. Measuring 240 x 200 mm with a 5mm thickness, it fits most electric trimmers and routers through its pre-drilled mounting holes. You get an anodized aluminum body that resists wear and rust, plus metric scales on both sides for precise fence adjustments. The package includes an aluminum fence, a 180-degree rotating push rod, 2 rubber rings, and 2 miter gauge guides. At 107 kg, it installs quickly on any workbench and backs a 30-day Amazon return guarantee. At number 3, we have the SKIL RT132301 router table and 10-amp fixed base router kit. The SKIL RT132301 stands out as the most complete kit for woodworkers who want a router table and router in one purchase. You get the SRT 10039 router table paired with a 10A 2.0 HP fixed base router hitting 25,000 RPM across 6 variable speeds. Above the table height adjustment and a router clamp makes setup fast. The 24-inch fence includes adjustable MDF faceplates, while dual-sided bit storage keeps your workspace organized. 2 feather boards, a miter gauge, starting pin, and dust extraction adapter come included. The router's soft start, LED lights, and live tool safety indicator add practical protection. A 1-year warranty backs the entire kit. At number 2, we have the Kreg PRS 2100 benchtop rotor table. Kreg's PRS 2100 stands out as a premium benchtop rotor table built for serious woodworkers who demand precision and portability. Its edge-banded MDF surface with microdot skin reduces friction and vibration, keeping your work smooth and quiet. The aluminum fence includes a dust collection port, sliding faces, and jointing rods for versatile setups. Level low-C insert rings and plate levelers guarantee your bits stay perfectly aligned. At 30 inches wide and weighing 12 kilograms, it's substantial yet portable, especially with its mobile base casters. You're getting a well-engineered table that ranks number 30 in router tables for good reason. And finally, at number 1, we have the Leegol electric benchtop router table. If you're after a router table with a superior built-in motor, the Leegol electric benchtop router table is your go-to for serious woodworking. Its 1.5 HP motor handles router bits with base plates up to 6 inches, while the aluminum alloy table keeps things lightweight and rust-proof. Heavy-duty steel extension tables on both ends add stability, and the integrated transparent guard prevents wood chip ejection. You'll also appreciate the multifunctional fence for vertical jointing and the miter gauge for precise angle cuts. It weighs 7.98 kilograms, measures 34 force 15 inches, and comes with a manufacturer warranty, plus Amazon's 30-day return guarantee. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.